Number one, whether the lab is there or not for any part of the state, it has been the policy of the government to ensure that all test results must come out within 24 hours. And that has been happening. So whether the lab is there in Bakmara or not, whether the lab is there in Makurwat or not, whether the lab is there in Juwai or not, we make sure that there's a special team in place to ensure that the samples are collected and the results are given within 24 hours. So that's number one. We will not allow any kind of delay which would cause any kind of inconvenience to the people or risk in the spread of the virus. Number two, setting up of an RT-PCR lab requires not just the infrastructure but the manpower. So we need a MD in microbiology who has to be present for the setting up of the lab as well as running of the lab. So we can set up the lab, but again that also would require the MD to be there. But after that, to run it, you would require a full-time MD in microbiology to be there. The issue that we are facing right now is the shortage of microbiologist MDs. So therefore, we are working on that. We have explored all the options. We have asked the NHM as well as the DHS to find out how we could resolve this issue. Putting up of a RT-PCR lab is something that's not just for the virus or for corona, but it's a long-term investment for any kind of study of viruses in the future. So therefore, it's a long-term investment. So therefore, it will go a long way in helping the people out here. So we have examined that. In fact, this was very much a part of our discussion today. But the fact of the matter remains is the investment and setting up the lab is not the issue. It is the manpower that we're facing today. In fact, the whole country is asking for MDs in microbiology, and there's a very acute shortage of it. But we have 2-3 options. We are exploring that, and we're hopeful that we'll be able to resolve this issue also very soon.